Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here. I'm going to be doing another braidless crochet video. This hair is by Bobby Boss, awesome hair company. The Brazil baton curl, but this is a little different. This is a 6-inch, so this is going to be a short do. And the reason why I'm a little hesitant and I'm only doing a braidless because one, I only keep my braidless crochets in for 2 weeks. They could go longer, but I deal with itchy scalp. I have dealt with itchy scalp. That's just my life. That's just how my hair decides to act. And so I can't go longer than 2 weeks without at least washing my actual scalp. No amount of tea tree oil or whatever oil you guys want to suggest, my hair needs to be washed. So that's why I'm doing this braidless crochet, and that's why I'm going to try the 6-inch, so that if I don't like it, I'm only wearing it for 2 weeks. So let's get right into the video. Alright, so I have installed all the hair. I don't know about this cut. It's awfully short. I normally like it to at least touch my shoulders. But I actually had to use 3.5 packs because as you guys could tell, the back of my hair, I have a lot of hair, so I had to use a lot of the crochet hair to cover up my hair. So this is my hair, so I had to use a lot of crochet hair to cover that up. So that's basically where half a pack went entirely over there. I'm gonna try to shape this into something that I would be comfortable with. Short, like I said, this is 6 inches. So it's really short. So this would definitely be great hairstyle for my mom. She's older, I'm not gonna tell her age, but I do crochet braids for her all the time, and she likes her hair shorter. So this would definitely be a style maybe for her. And I like the short hair. I like it. I like it, but it's not something that I'm going to be able to be comfortable in for 2 straight weeks. Like, I have to methodically pick out which clothes I'm gonna wear so that my broad shoulders don't show. So like, this is perfect, but like, I can't do, see, I'm going to wait to upload this video until after I take it down. So you will not see this video until after it's out of my head. That way I can answer all of your questions as far as how long I kept it up, how I liked it, did it not, and all that kind of stuff. So in the meantime, check out all my other crochet videos. I do have a crochet playlist, so you can check them all out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys next week. Bye.